Welcome back to GrowRich. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just redefine your path to prosperity: how to become a millionaire, the truth finally revealed. Now, forget what you've heard about the perils of getting rich quick. We're unraveling a concept that could reshape your entire financial journey. As we walk you through this eye-opening revelation, think about not just how much you make, but how fast you make it. It's time to challenge those conventional notions and pave your way to financial freedom. But before we unravel the millionaire code, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Section 1. The toxic notion of getting rich quick. Now, many of us have been fed a toxic notion: the idea that getting rich quick is a shady endeavor. But here's the truth: waiting for 40 years to accumulate $1 million doesn't make you rich. It's not about the amount, it's about the speed. Imagine making that same million within a year. Now, that's a game changer. The key? Understanding that wealth is not just about money, it's about time. The toxic notion that getting rich quick is synonymous with deceit and ill intentions has been deeply ingrained in our societal psyche. We've been conditioned to associate get-rich-quick schemes with scams, illegitimate shortcuts, and a fast track to financial ruin. But here's the reality check: not all swift journeys to wealth are paved with dishonesty. Consider this: the industrial age demanded a 40-year grind to accumulate $1 million. It became the standard, the accepted path to financial success. However, what if I told you that this conventional wisdom is a roadblock, not a roadmap? What if the real measure of wealth isn't the time it takes, but the mindset and strategies employed to make it happen? Getting rich quick doesn't imply cutting corners or engaging in dubious dealings. It's about challenging the traditional narrative and recognizing that time is an asset we can't afford to squander. It's not about recklessness, it's about efficiency. So, let's discard the notion that swift success is inherently toxic. Instead, open your mind to the possibility that a faster route might be the smartest, most strategic move you can make on your journey to financial prosperity. Section 2. Time as the true measure of wealth. Let's break it down. Making $1 million a month doesn't just mean more money. It means you're 12 times richer than the person making $1 million a year, and a whopping 480 times richer than the one grinding for $25,000 a year for 4 decades. Rich people get it. Time is the real treasure. It's not about being reckless. It's about valuing your time, regardless of your current financial status. It's a mindset shift that could redefine your journey. Making $1 million over 40 years might provide financial security, but it shackles you to a slow and steady pace. Contrast that with making the same million in just 12 months. Suddenly, you're not just financially secure, you're rich. Why? Because time becomes your ally. Instead of waiting until retirement to relish your wealth for a mere decade, you can enjoy it for decades. This is the essence of the argument. Wealth isn't merely measured in monetary value. It's measured in the time you have to enjoy it. If you're still skeptical, ponder this. The person making $1 million a month is 12 times richer than the annual millionaire. It's a paradigm shift. The rich value time more than money, recognizing that life is a limited resource. Conversely, those fixated on money often miss out on the true wealth, the luxury of time. So, let's reshape our perspective on wealth. Embrace the idea that swift success isn't a reckless pursuit, but a strategic move to amass not just riches, but time, the true measure of wealth. Section 3. The power of valuing your time. Here's a mindset shift. Start valuing your time more than money. Rich people understand this. They prioritize activities that truly matter, recognizing that time is the ultimate currency. Even mundane tasks, like shopping in a store, might not be worth their time. It's not about being rich first. It's about adopting the mindset that gets you there. Time is the great equalizer. No matter our financial status, we all get the same 24 hours each day. The rich, however, understand the profound impact of valuing these hours. It's not about avoiding responsibilities or indulging in idleness. It's about recognizing the value of every tick of the clock. When you're on the path to financial success, every minute counts. The rich person realizes that their time is a valuable asset that could be better spent on activities generating more wealth. This mindset isn't exclusive to the already affluent. It's a mindset that propelled many successful individuals to their financial heights. The shift happens when you start to view your time as a precious commodity. The activities you engage in, the decisions you make, all should align with the goal of maximizing the utility of your time. In essence, it's about understanding the opportunity cost of every moment. The rich person values their time because they comprehend that time is finite. By investing it wisely, they create a multiplier effect, generating more wealth and, crucially, more time. It's a virtuous cycle that begins with recognizing the power of valuing your time. Section 4. The misconception of the traditional path. The notion of a traditional path to wealth often revolves around the idea of a slow, steady climb, years of hard work, saving, and investing patiently. While this approach has its merits, it's not the only route to financial success. In fact, for many, it might not be the most efficient. Contrary to the traditional path's emphasis on slow and steady, the rich person understands the power of speed. It's not about recklessness, but about making informed, swift decisions that leverage opportunities when they arise. This doesn't negate the importance of discipline and financial acumen. Rather, it suggests that a more dynamic approach can yield quicker results. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to adapt and seize opportunities promptly is a valuable skill. The misconception lies in assuming that deviating from the traditional path is synonymous with imprudence. In reality, it's about recognizing that the landscape of success is evolving. Embracing innovation, calculated risks, and unconventional strategies can lead to a destination of financial prosperity far more rapidly than the traditional route might suggest. As we've explored the fallacies surrounding the traditional path, it's crucial to recognize that your journey to wealth is inherently personal. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, and the richness of life lies in the diversity of experiences and choices. Crafting your unique journey begins with introspection and a deep understanding of your goals, values, and risk tolerance. It's not about blindly following someone else's footsteps, but about leveraging your strengths, passions, and opportunities in a way that aligns with your vision of success. As we wrap up this mind-expanding journey, ask yourself, do you want to make it quick or slow? The truth is, we might not have the luxury of time to follow the traditional path. If you're serious about accelerating your wealth journey, it starts with challenging these conventional beliefs. So, are you ready to flip the script on becoming a millionaire? Hit that like button if you're in, subscribe if you haven't, and remember, it's not about having time, it's about making the most of it. Until next time on GrowRich, stay wealthy, stay wise.